We recently delivered our 1000th machine, which was a very big milestone for us. And it's not only about having 1,000 machines in field, it's also about having these machines at 450 different customers in 45 countries, which shows the global adoption and the global need for our technology. ZEISS is one of the strongest companies in Germany. It's a global company. It's also one of the most innovative companies in the world. That a customer like ZEISS is choosing DyeMansion for their AM strategy and journey is a very big signal for us that makes us very proud.
For post-processing, we use equipment from DyeMansion, and we get it also via our system partner Bechtle. This is on the one hand the Powershot C, and as you can see behind me, the Powerfuse S. And as you can imagine, we have many processes, production steps that are in clean room environment, where it is absolutely necessary, obligatory to avoid any kind of abrasion or any kind of particles. So we need a smooth surface for that, and that's why we decided to use that equipment. And on the other hand, what was also important, the environmental aspect. The Powerfuse S uses non-hazardous material and fluids to chemically smooth the surfaces of the 3D printed part.
I wish ZEISS all the best for their journey with additive manufacturing and also the journey with us. We are very happy to be partner of the additive manufacturing journey of ZEISS, and I wish that they can successfully ramp up all the applications that they already identified, and for sure I also wish them to find way more applications in the near future.
We are responsible to deliver tools, equipment, fixtures, technology overall to manufacture spectacle lenses. We have been working with additive manufacturing and 3D printing for quite a long time now, I would say more than 10 years. We use it for all kind of fixtures or for trays, for testing, for all kind of test setups, trial setups, and it really plays a major role now. We use a polyjet printer. That was our first printer. We have it for more than 10 years now. We have an FDM printer, and of course it has its limitation. That's why we decided to go in contact with Bechtle as a system partner for the HP multi-jet fusion technology.
The 1000th machine was delivered by our partner Bechtle, and Bechtle is one of our long-term and very strong partners.
The partnership with DyeMansion is a great addition to our 3D printing powder bed portfolio and gives us the ambition to provide an end-to-end solution to our customers. So from coloring solutions to chemical smoothing, they provide absolutely user-friendly industrial post-processing systems that enables our customers to turn their ideas into completely finished serial additive manufacture parts. I'm absolutely impressed of the development of ZEISS and how they create value within their additive manufacturing division. Since they've been using the combination of our HP multi-jet fusion 3D printing and DyeMansion post-processing systems, they can realize completely new levels of creativity.
Customers are way more successful in adopting additive manufacturing when they consider post-processing from the very beginning, especially when it's about end-use parts and serial manufacturing. Post-processing is a necessity that also enables a larger group of applications. And that's why it's so important that OEMs and customers consider post-processing from the very beginning.
For the next 1000 systems, I expect DyeMansion to hold their leadership position, to provide us with the tools to help customers like ZEISS turn their 3D printed raw parts into high value and sustainable products.